Hi everyone, it's Clyde here, and this video is all about the benefits of consolidating your super. See, I recently sat with a young client who had multiple super funds, and I asked her, why haven't you consolidated your super? And she said it was too hard, she had no idea how to do it, and also it was stressing her because she had multiple funds, she receives multiple statements, and she'll just file the statements away and not worry about it and hope one day to get to it. And so what I thought today, I'll do today is just to go through some benefits of consolidating your super. So the first benefit is reducing costs. You know, having multiple super funds, you're paying multiple fees, you're paying multiple insurance premiums, you're not managing your money effectively. Have the one fund moving forward for the rest of your working life. You pay the one set of fees, you pay the one set of insurance premiums, and I can promise you it will save you so much money come retirement. It will amaze you how much of a difference it will make. You know, the client that I just spoke to you about, I consolidated all her super and I was able to save her over $1,500 a year in fees. You know, she was relatively young, so she had about probably another 30 years before she retired. So can you imagine the accumulative effect of all those fees being saved for the next 30 years? So that's why it's so important to consolidate your super, because it reduces costs. The second reason why, the benefit to consolidate super is, number two, it reduces paperwork. You know, when you have multiple super funds, you're receiving multiple statements, you have multiple accounts, it's so much paperwork that you have to keep on top of. Having the one fund, you only have to manage the one fund. You only have to manage, you only have the one fund, one paperwork to deal with. So it helps with reducing paperwork, reducing stress. And thirdly, the third benefits for consolidating your super is it's easier to track your investments. So what do I mean by that? When you have multiple super funds, every fund that you have is invested, your money is invested in a particular fund. Some super funds may invest your money in a high risk fund, other super funds may invest your money in a lower risk. So you're not investing your money as effectively as you could when you have the one fund and you can you know exactly where your money is being invested. You know, having the one fund, easily track your investments, you know exactly how it's performing, you know when to change it, it's so much more easier to track the investments, and it will create wealth for you a lot faster by doing that than having the multiple funds with different investment funds in there. So that's the third point, is easier to track your investments. So that's it for this week. My 3 benefits for consolidating your super. Number 1, reducing costs. Number 2, reduce paperwork. And finally, it's easier to track your investments. Now, there's some great websites to help you if you need help with consolidating your super. The MyGov website is a fantastic way to do it. The ATO, the Super Seeker, definitely is another way also. And the other thing is just downloading a rollover form and then just rolling over your super into the nominated fund. So if you need help with consolidating, I strongly suggest you speak to someone, because there are certain things that you need to be mindful of before you consolidate, and a professional will definitely be able to go through all the advantages and provide you with the information that you need. So that's it for this week. If you have any questions, write them down below. If you need help with consolidating your super, if you want to, if you don't want the stress, if you don't want the multiple fees, put your details below and I will get in contact with you. And finally, remember, I'm dedicated to helping you take actionable steps today for a better financial tomorrow. See you next week. Bye bye.